Guys, let's make sirloin. I marinate this for 2 days. This is sirloin siya. Tapos, see, I marinate it and then I'm gonna make my own version of vegetables. First, I'm gonna put this malunggay. With a little bit instead of the spinach. This is going to be beautiful looking. Yeah. And then like that. Then I put it like this. This is my own version, okay? And I'll let you know what this tastes like later when it's done. This malunggay is going. I didn't wear gloves because I can't find it. So it's okay. I washed yesterday. Ayan. You know what is this? This is kangkong or sweet potato leaves. Because they don't eat if I put this alone. So I gonna trick them that they can eat it. Ayan. This is a zucchini, I think. I don't know. I have a lot of vegetables there, so just like that. And then put like that. And like this. We'll see what happened. And then I just put everything here. And this. Okay? Oh, simple. And then put everything the malunggay. A lot of source and vitamins. That. See that? Too many malunggays is good. So I have a plant there. Malunggays. And then I put a carrot. Because this is very delicious. Carrots, oh. It's a decoration to make it color. Ayan. Because they don't like vegetables, so we just do magic. That way they can eat it. My aliados is they don't like vegetables, so I have to do magic. And then put black pepper, a little bit. Put some garlic. Oops. That way it tastes good, garlic.
Mom, do you have AAA batteries?
I don't know. Maybe. Salt. And to make it smell very good, Italian seasoning. It's gonna be smell good. If you like it spicy, you can put it spicy, but I don't want it spicy. And that's it. And then this one, this is small part, I'm gonna open it to cover that center. And then I do it like this. I hope I can squeeze it. Just like that. See? They don't notice it. They have inside already vegetables. And I gonna tie it up. Hold on. I gonna look for the tie. I don't have the tie here with me. It's not a tie, guys. It's sewing. Have to sew it. See? It's a pen. So I have to stretch it. And we have to make sure that this is together here the way it's easy. It's look like we're sewing something like that. See? See that? And then this one, put it here all the way to the other side like that. Another one, reverse. We have to do it reverse, okay? Like this. See? It's closed now. So you have to be careful that you don't get cut because this is very sharp. Okay? O, ayan na. Sarado na. Ngayon, ayan na. Pwede rin tong i-oven. Pero, hindi ko to i-oven. Ilagay ko to sa air fry. Ayan o. I-air fry ko to. Ayan. Diretso lang yan dyan. Kanyan. Air fry. Yan. Kailangan yung fat nasa taas para pag when the heat go heat on it, the oils go down and then you don't get the fat because it's going down and underneath. It's like that. So wash hands. And there we go. We're gonna put this in the air fry. And let's cook it to have to find it. Ayan. 12 minutes. Let's try for 12 minutes if it's working. Ayan. 400 degrees. Okay, so stay tuned for later.